I've been working on this heater. It's a kerosene or diesel burning heater. Whenever I got it, the fault light here was flashing, so whenever you plugged it in, it would just flash. It wouldn't fire up. There was no life. So I took it apart and discovered the board was damaged. So I've ran a couple of link wires across where the traces were broken, and it fires up now and it burns. I've changed the burner nozzle in there and checked the fuel filter down in there. It's all good. The electrodes are all good. Fuel pressure is good. Magic Eye's clean. So the last thing I want to do on it is change the power cord because it's quite short and also very hard, and it's pulled out of its sleeve here. So I've got a longer lead to go in, 5 meter lead here, and a new grommet I'm going to install there to put the lead through, and once we've done that we'll fire it up and make sure it's still going. Forgot the heat shrink. Wonder how long it would take before I forget to do that. Usually it's after you've soldered it and you go to move the heat shrink and it doesn't exist. There. So the original power lead was on this plug that plugs into the board, which is quite specific. So I'm just going to join the new one on to the old one, solder join it, and it'll be as good as new. Bit of flux, whoa, bit of flux to help the solder flow. This soldering iron might not have enough horsepower. Just about. Fantastic. Pretty sure what happened, that board, just by looking at the way the connectors sit there, is that it has been unscrewed for whatever reason, and then it's just fallen back repeatedly, or once badly, and it's just pulled on these. You can see it pulled on that one already. It's pulled them to the point where it's pulled the terminations out of the board. But hopefully when I get this screwed back up and it's left alone, that shouldn't happen again. Might need to turn it on up here. Still no life. Went to check the fuse out of the old plug, and it's got the old wire wrapped around it. What is the point? New fuse. No, I just need to put this pipe back on. It lives down in there, on that tail. There. Must be for some kind of auto bleed for the fuel system, or like an air bleed for the fuel system. Try it again just to make sure it still works. Lights on, fans on. Ignition transformers on. Flames on. There we have it, that's fixed. really wasn't that bad. Most of the problem was that board being damaged, and they're much nicer to use now with a better length cable on it. So yeah, on to the next broken thing.